put this in my coffee. Gin powder. Coffee meat cream. Slim na jud ko. Gosh, I like it. It's like this, so cute. Oh, guys, cute kaya akong bag. Pink. I have 2 more of this, green and black. Aning anaon akong buhok. Diba? My goodness, you can put a lot. Look, wallet, 3 wallet in here, small wallet, mouthwash, perfume, lipstick, powder, it's small but you can put lots of stuff. Nga bag, cellphone ako, isa ka cellphone din, speaker, cute kaya siya nga speaker guys, but you know, ang sounds niya dako, di ni siya vitamins, kuan siya Tylenol, and then kuan earpods, cute kayo, eyeshair, ipit sa buhok. Guys, nindot kayo ni siya nga speaker guys, kay bisan siya gamay, kusog na kaayo, no? GBE. Okay guys.